Welcome to the 23andMe at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product and additional details are included in the description below. The 23andMe DNA test kit is one of the most popular at-home genetic testing options, offering insights into your ancestry, health predispositions, and even wellness traits, all from the convenience of your home. It's designed for anyone curious about their genetic heritage, health risks, or personalized wellness recommendations. The kit includes a simple saliva collection tube and clear instructions. After sending your sample to their lab, results are available online within 3 to 5 weeks. 23andMe offers 2 main service tiers, the Ancestry Plus Traits service and the Health Ancestry service. The first focuses on detailed ancestry composition, haplogroups, and traits like your likely caffeine sensitivity or sleep patterns. The Health Plus Ancestry package goes a step further, including reports on genetic predispositions for conditions like type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and late-onset Alzheimer's, along with carrier status for inherited conditions. The Ancestry insights are incredibly detailed, breaking down your lineage into over 2,000 regions, making it one of the most granular tests available. A unique feature is the DNA Relative Finder, which helps you connect with distant relatives who've also tested with 23andMe. If exploring your roots and building family connections excites you, this feature is a big draw. On the health side, the reports are informative but not diagnostic. They provide genetic likelihoods and actionable advice, like lifestyle changes or discussions to have with your doctor. This is perfect for those wanting to understand their genetic blueprint and make proactive health decisions. The wellness insights, such as genetic tendencies for muscle composition or response to certain diets, add a personalized layer to your fitness or nutrition goals. 23andMe's app and dashboard are user-friendly, with clear visuals and detailed explanations for your reports. However, keep in mind the privacy policies. While 23andMe provides options to manage your data, users should carefully review and decide how much information to share. Overall, the 23andMe test kit is a fantastic tool for anyone eager to explore their genetic background, health insights, or family connections. It's easy to use, comprehensive, and delivers science-backed results, making it well worth considering.